What was your sense of her personality?
Lively, dramatic. One kid sister told me once I'd be home, the youngest as it happens, and I have a couple of boyfriends around, and in walked Celia. She says, "Listen to this poem." And another remembrance, Lillian telling me, as I asked her so many times, oh, I come home from school and stuff burning away on the stove, the dishes not done, and there's my mother at the kitchen table writing. Sort of not so approving, right? And then a third remembrance, this is Elizabeth's mother, is walking with the father and the mother, and she notices the mother's, Celia's ahead of her, and her slip is showing. You don't understand that slip? In those days, everybody had a slip, right? And she turns to her father and says, oh, why does Mama walk with such a sloppy slip? So, you know, and he stops her right in the middle of the street and stentorian voice says, you are never to criticize your mother. She's a genius. I don't ever want to hear a word of criticism about her.